So I've got this old car, a hot rod, a serious piece of iron, a dual exhaust rumbler, a tire smoking, gear shifting, full bore screaming hunk of Detroit vintage technology, speeding my heart like a mainline shot of adrenaline every time I step on the gas.
Alright guys, I made my brace, and it looks pretty good. I put one pipe there to the side and one pipe to the front, and now it's really stable, so it should be fine. It's really stable now. And I did the same on the other side. I think it looks pretty good. It's definitely not going anywhere. And well, that's that. Guess the stacks are all utilized, and almost, but they're all mounted, and the pipe is coming down on both sides, and now on to the rest of the exhaust. So the stacks are done. Add some character to the truck. It's not too bad out today. It's about 40. And next thing I gotta do here is I gotta cut these. I gotta cut all of my tacks off because this is not gonna work. I gotta completely change these. Good thing I just tacked it on, but it's gotta be completely different. So I think I'm gonna work on that today, and we'll see how far. Alright guys, I'm gonna do a little video of my latest creation things. I've already used it to strip wires and stuff, but the handle is some hickory. It's a hickory axe handle that was never used for anything. It was just, I had it, so I cut that, and I stained it and everything, and bolted it right in there in the slot. And the blade is actually a straight edge, part of a straight edge, and then I just sharpen it real. See if this thing will focus up on it here. See if it'll focus up. Sharpen it real nice, right like that, and it's real sharp. It's pretty cool. It's got those brass bolts in there, but that's what I'm gonna use to open letters and stickers and stuff. But this thing's sharp. I'll do a little demonstration of how sharp this thing is. It's pretty sharp. This thing goes right through that thick cardboard. But that's pretty cool. Just wanted to do a little video of that. But that's all for now, guys. Talk to you later. See ya. Alright, I got the old John Deere back in here. I was relocating some firewood with this old thing, and it's really running pretty good after that little gasket change there. It hasn't been leaking any oil. And this old trailer that I built a couple years ago is holding up pretty good too. Well, I guess that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I think I just hit about 50,000 video views, so that's kind of cool. And I'm gonna add about 580 subscribers, so that's pretty cool, guys. Thanks for subscribing. And when I started all this, I never would have even thought I'd get 20, but I guess people like to watch other people fool around in the garage. Well, see you guys in the next video.